In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an IP address from your website hosted on Hostgator. This is a great way to manage unwanted traffic and protect your site from potential threats. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to Hostgator's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hostgator.com. This will take you to their homepage, which is your gateway to accessing the website management tools you'll need for this tutorial. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now need to log into your Hostgator account. If you have your credentials ready, enter your username and password, then hit the sign in button. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your Hostgator dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your website. This is where we'll do most of the work today. Next, navigate back to the home page if you're not already there. From the dashboard or menu, you'll want to find the option labeled Website. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to a new page where you will find various settings related directly to your website hosting and management. Now look for the settings section on this page. Clicking on settings will open up a drop-down menu with several configurable options for you to explore and adjust. Since our focus today is on enhancing security, you'll want to find and click on the security option. This is an important step because ensuring your website's security should always be a top priority. Once you're on the security page, you will see an option called IP blocker. Go ahead and click on that. The IP blocker tool is specifically designed to give you control over who can and cannot access your site. It's a straightforward tool to use and very effective for blocking unwanted visitors. After clicking IP blocker, you'll be guided to a screen where you can enter the IP addresses you wish to block. Simply type in the IP address you want to restrict from accessing your site, and then click on the Add button. In a few moments, Hostgator will process the information and apply the block. There you have it, you've successfully blocked an IP address from accessing your website on Hostgator. This process helps keep your site secure and ensures unwanted visitors or malicious traffic is kept at bay. Remember, periodically review this list to maintain a healthy web environment. Thanks so much for following along with this tutorial. For more helpful tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.